Have you ever made homemade pesto? Today we'll be taking you through how to make a classic basil pesto recipe, pesto alla Genovese, and turn it into a delicious pasta dish. We'll even share a useful tip on how to keep your spare pesto for later. Begin by adding the basil, the garlic, pine nuts, parmesan, pecorino and salt to a blender or a food processor, followed by the Napolina extra virgin olive oil, then pulse together gently until you have a smooth pesto. For this recipe, you'll only need 3 tablespoons of the pesto, but here's a quick tip. Pour the rest of the pesto into an ice cube mold and pop them in the freezer so you can use them later. Next, add the cooked Napolina Penne pasta to a pan, followed by the homemade pesto, some extra Parmesan cheese, a lather of pasta water and a handful of extra pine nuts. Then mix together well, coating all of the pasta in the vibrant pesto. Then serve up into 2 bowls, finishing with a final sprinkling of Parmigiano Reggiano, and enjoy this delicious homemade pesto pasta recipe. Buonissimo!